Turn it over. Look at the front of it. That's from Sandy. What does that say?
Grandma Helen Amato.
That's your bag. Sandy sent that to you.
Sandy?
Yeah. See if you can unzip it.
Huh?
Unzip it. Look inside and see the goodies.
Holy moly! Roly poly, oh, all kinds.
Yeah, there's a cookie. You want to eat the chocolate first?
Oh, I don't know what I want to do, honey.
Do you like your new bag?
Huh?
You like that new gold bag? Your gold bag. Do you like it?
Oh, yeah. That's pretty.
You like it? Put your name on it so nobody can take it.
Grandma Helen Amato.
Yeah, let's see.
I like that.
Isn't that cute?